Let's try it.
Are you ready?
Yeah. I am up on the roof of the firehouse. There are 5 York air conditioners. Oh, it's on a low ambient kit. It's usually used to run the unit when it's like below freezing outside.
Okay.
See how the blade stops spinning?
Yeah.
They should kick back on. Yeah, it's pressure operated. Trying to find a yeah, I think do you know if this is gas or oil? So these are probably straight cool units. Bunch more of them over here. And the low ambient kit just kicked in again. And there is a really big ventilation. What is this thing again? Exhaust fan. Yeah, I am up on the roof. If you don't believe me, there you go. Up on the roof. Skylights. You can just make out the apparatus right there. And there are more AC units up there, but I don't feel like climbing up there. But yeah, these are all York straight cool air conditioners matched up with gas furnaces. Hey, it's got a Copeland scroll compressor. It's probably been replaced. Yeah, that one's got a Copeland. So I'm going to try and come back here at a later date and get a video of all of them running during the daylight hours. I just wanted to get kind of an introductory video here. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.